So guys, this was the third day after I did the perm rod set, and I'm sorry I was partially out of focus like the whole video. Please bear with me on that. So my night routine basically was just sectioning my hair in parts and holding with hair bands. Yes, this kind of hairband, and every morning I would remove the hairband and use my fingers to get the hair together to hide the section lines, which is what I'm doing right here, using my hands to get my hair together. I was also making use of my afro comb to tease my hair. Yeah, this is it, which I'm doing right here, using my afro comb to tease my hair. I also did the baby hair stuff with my hair gel, although I didn't show it in the video, but I did that. It's optional though. You could just go with your you could just make use of your hair toothbrush and brush the front of your hair, and you're very good to go. So this is it guys. This was it basically. This was how I slept with the hair every night and how I got it together every morning. So I hope you guys got this and enjoyed the video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be putting out a lot more guys, and I'm sure you don't want to miss any of that. So please subscribe so you don't miss any of that, and enjoy. See ya on my next video. Bye bye.